In this episode, you will listen to slow English shadowing to improve your listening, speaking, and fluency. This session is designed to help you think in English naturally, at a calm pace you can follow. Hi everyone, I'm Luna. Thank you for being here today. Get ready to repeat with me, train your English brain, and practice simple, clear sentences step by step. Take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin your slow English shadowing practice. I wake up early every day. I wake up early every day. I stretch my body and take a deep breath. I stretch my body and take a deep breath. Today feels like a good day to learn English. Today feels like a good day to learn English. I go to the kitchen and make some breakfast. I go to the kitchen and make some breakfast. I like warm coffee in the morning. I like warm coffee in the morning. My day starts slowly and calmly. My day starts slowly and calmly. I am learning English step by step. I am improving every day. Slow practice makes my English stronger. I am confident. I enjoy learning English. I want to speak more naturally. I listen carefully and repeat. The more I practice, the easier it feels. I can understand more than before. I am proud of my progress. Today, I am going for a short walk. The weather is calm and warm. I look around and see trees, people, and cars. I hear birds singing in the distance. I take a deep breath and feel relaxed. I think about my goals. One of my goals is to speak English fluently. I know I can do it with practice. Step by step, I get better. Can you repeat that, please? Can you say it more slowly? I understand. I don't understand yet, but I'm learning. Can you help me with this word? Hello. Nice to see you. How are you today? I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. What are your plans for today? That sounds great. I hope you enjoy it. Let's practice English together for a little while. I am doing my best. It's okay to learn slowly. Every small step matters. I believe in myself. I am becoming more confident in English. I listen. I repeat. I practice. I grow. I learn. I improve. Shadowing helps me think in English. Shadowing helps me speak naturally. Shadowing builds my confidence. You're doing great. Keep going. 1 hour of slow English is powerful practice. I'm proud of you for being here. All right, let's continue. In this part, we're going to focus on daily mindset sentences. Short, simple English lines that help your brain stay calm, focused, and ready to learn. Just listen and repeat. I am ready to practice. I am focused on my English today. I learn best when I stay calm. I listen with attention. I repeat with confidence. I don't rush. I take my time. Every minute helps me improve. Now let's shadow a short story. It's simple and slow, so just follow my voice. This morning, I chose to practice English early. I sat in a quiet place and pressed play. I listened carefully and repeated each word. Little by little, I started to feel more confident. Great! Now let's continue with daily action sentences. I wake up and breathe deeply. I start my day with motivation. I try my best, even when it feels hard. I trust the process. Nice work! Let's move on to the next part. Okay, let's move on. In this section, we're going to practice daily, real-life situations. The kind of short sentences you use when you talk to people, when you go out, or when you simply move through your day. Just follow my voice and shadow each line. Let's begin. Hi, how are you today? I'm doing well, thank you. Excuse me, can you help me? Where is the bus stop? I need a little more time, please. Can I ask you a question? That sounds good to me. I'm not sure, but I can try. Now let's practice some phrases you might use while shopping or doing simple errands. How much is this? Do you have this in another size? I'll take it, thank you. Can I pay by card? I'm just looking around. Next, let's follow a short real-life story. Just repeat after me. Yesterday, I walked into a small cafe. I ordered a warm drink and found a quiet seat. A friendly person smiled at me. We talked for a few minutes about our day. I left the cafe feeling relaxed and happy. Now let's practice sounding polite and natural in English. Could you repeat that, please? I really appreciate your help. Sorry, I didn't hear you. Thank you for your patience. Have a great day. Let's finish this part with confidence-building lines for social situations. I can introduce myself with confidence. I can start a small conversation. I can speak clearly and slowly. I understand more than I think. I'm improving every day. Great job! Let's continue with the next part. In this part, we'll focus on feelings and emotional states, something every learner uses in real everyday life. I'll say each line slowly and clearly, and you shadow with me. This helps your brain connect emotions with English naturally. I feel calm and centered right now. I feel happy to be learning today. I feel a little sleepy, but I'm trying my best. I feel excited about improving my English. I feel proud of my progress so far. I feel curious about new words and expressions. I feel peaceful when I listen to slow English. I feel focused and ready to learn. I feel grateful for this practice. I feel relaxed and comfortable. Sometimes I feel nervous when I speak English. Sometimes I feel confident and strong. Sometimes I feel hopeful about the future. Sometimes I feel stressed, but I breathe and continue. Sometimes I feel a little confused, and that's normal. Sometimes I feel very motivated and full of energy. I feel calm when I take things slowly. I feel connected to myself today. I feel inspired to grow. I feel open to new challenges. I feel patient with my learning process. I feel brave when I try speaking in English. I feel positive about my progress. I feel comfortable repeating these lines. I feel more confident with every sentence. I feel strong and capable. I feel a mix of emotions today. I feel excited, but also a little nervous. I feel peaceful when I listen to slow stories. I feel happy when I understand new phrases. I feel calm when I repeat English slowly. I feel proud when I finish a long lesson. I feel more relaxed after practicing shadowing. I feel ready for new challenges. I feel lighter and more positive now. I feel in control of my learning. Today I feel strong. Today I feel ready to learn. Today I feel like I can improve. Today I feel open to new ideas. Right now I feel calm. Right now I feel focused. Right now I feel patient. Right now I feel grateful. I feel like I'm getting better. I feel like this practice helps me. I feel like learning English is fun today. I feel like speaking more. I feel like I'm thinking faster in English.